In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1password on Android and iPhone. We'll walk through signing into the app and adding your first saved password so you can keep your logins organized and secure on both platforms. Start by opening the 1password app on your device. On the first screen, tap Sign In. If you already have a 1password account, choose the option to enter account details. This tells the app you're connecting to an existing account rather than creating a new one. Type in your email address, then tap Next. The app uses your email to find your account and guide the setup. Next, enter your secret key and your account password. The secret key is a long code that protects your account. You'll find it in the emergency kit you saved when you first signed up, or in your account details if you're already signed in on another device. Keep both your secret key and password private. Tap Sign In. You may see a couple of screens that introduce features or confirm your setup. Tap Continue and then Continue again. These pages make sure everything is linked and ready to use. If you see tips or a short tour, you can review them now or move past them and come back later. Once you're on the 1password homepage, look for the pencil icon. Tap it to make changes or add something new. Choose the option to create one new item. You'll see different item types. Select Password. This is a simple, flexible entry for storing a password you want to keep safe, even if you're not saving a full login yet. Now add your password. Give the item a clear title so you can find it later, and fill in any details that help, like a username or the website address. If you don't already have a strong password, let 1password suggest one. It's designed to generate unique, complex passwords that are hard to guess. The clearer your labels and notes are here, the easier it will be to search and use this item later. When everything looks good, tap Save. That's it. Your password is securely stored and will sync to your other signed-in devices. You can follow these same steps on an iPhone or an Android device. The buttons and layout are almost identical, though icons may look slightly different. If something doesn't match exactly on your screen, look for the same wording and proceed in the same order. With that, you're ready to sign in and start organizing your passwords safely across your devices.